So, I told you I was going to go over property insurance, right? Property insurance policy. So, here we have a manufactured home policy. So, basically, and this is a sample, this is not, it's for educational purposes only. This is just to help you out so you kind of understand what your policy verbiage is about, right? So, the manufacturing home policy is basically a mobile home, and that's the only sample that I can find for now. But most policies are similar, right? So they're not all the same, but at least I can help you through the verbiage, right? So first thing first, when you're shopping around, let's just say you go with State Farm, okay? You go to State Farm, you call up the agent, which is a licensed insurance agent. They should be licensed anyway. You call them, you set an appointment. Sometimes you do it over the phone, but I always suggest you go into the office so you can sit down with them and ask necessary questions. I mean, this is a service that you're paying for, so you need to know what you're paying for, right? Okay, so you'll make that appointment. They'll give you, you'll fill out the application, then they'll ask you certain questions like how many people stay in the house, stuff like that. Do you have any safety, like alarm security system, stuff like that, right? Discounts. Okay. Then what they'll do is they'll start printing out a thick ass paper. You'll be like, what is this? Okay. So you want to ask them for the copy of the declaration page, which we call the debt page on our end, right? You'll have that printed out. The debt page is important, but it's not as important as what you're going to ask for. What you're going to ask for is the actual policy with the legal verbiage on it. Okay, that's what you want. Most of the time, you don't ask for it, they're going to give it to you. They'll just give you the deck page. And on the deck page, it basically has coverage A, B, C, and it may have coverage Y. The other coverages, which are like your liability. So if somebody trip on your steps, and then the insurance company have to pay for it. But anyhow, your importance A, B, and C, and then it's going to tell you how much each coverage is amount to, right? That's what the debt page is. It's going to have your policy number, all this right here. It's going to have the policy holders, you, your husband, or you and your sister, whoever is on the policy, right? When the effective date, if it's today, for a year, so it'll be next year, this time where it'll be expired, then they'll call you to renew your policy, right? And we already spoke about the agents. They get money off of each time each year that they renew a homeowner policy, right? So if they're getting paid off of it, you're paying for a service, you need to know what you are paying for, what you are covered for, what you are not. Because one thing about it, if you know you're not covered for a certain damage at your house or a certain catastrophe, then at that point you can always piggyback to home warranty insurance, which me personally, that's what I use. I use more claims with my home warranty rather than home insurance, because I know they take forever, they drag their feet. I don't have time to be going over investigations and all this, whatever. And mind you, I am a licensed property adjuster in 48 states. So I just want to let y'all know that. We're going to go over to the next video. Next video will be part 2. Okay, this is part 1. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and visit my link in my bio for any questions. I do have a PDF that's helping you with Habitat step by step, how to get that process rolling. And thank you guys.